आज 5 सिंगल गर्ल्स विल रेस टू डेट 1 लकी गाय। लड़का पूछेगा सवाल कुछ फ्लर्टी,
Impress me with one dance.
थोड़े डीप एंड बहुत स्पाइसी।
Roll play round.
अगर जवाब पसंद आया दे स्टेप फॉरवर्ड, इफ नॉट दे वेट। इट्स अ रेस फॉर लव, लेकिन सिर्फ एक क्रॉस करेगा फिनिश लाइन। दिस इज डेट और वेट।
Hi everybody, मेरा नाम हर्ष है। मैं प्रोफेशनल एक्टर हूँ और मैं कंटेंट भी बनाता हूँ फिटनेस के बारे में। एंड या आई एम हियर टू फाइंड अ डेट, लेट्स सी।
हाय, माय नेम इज़ जानवी। अभी मैं लॉन्ग टर्म रिलेशनशिप ढूंढ रही हूँ, मिल नहीं रहा है, कट रहा है। सो लेट्स सी।
हाय।
ओके, हेलो, व्हाट्स अप?
देखे देखे लग रहे हो क्या? मैं
शायद।
आपको पहले जानती हूँ।
पता नहीं, डू वी?
शायद हमने पिछली बारी we left things midway.
Yes,
I think
probably.
It's high time we change that.
हाय, माय नेम इज़ इंद्राक्षी एंड मैं एक प्रोफेशनल एक्टर हूँ एंड राइट नाउ आई एम लुकिंग फॉर समवन जो मेरे साथ रिस्क ले सके।
Hi, my name is Srishti Mishra. I'm looking basically for someone who's very old school romantic. मुझे वो छोटी छोटी चीज़ें बहुत पसंद है. You know, like I really want to prove that Gen Zs know how to love.
Okay, we'll see. I'm excited for this now.
Yes.
Please.
Hi Harsh, I'm Shambhavi. I'm studying fashion and after looking at your muscles, I would like to tell you even I can do push-ups. So
Oh, is it?
we might as well, you know.
Lovely.
You said correct, हर्ष की बहुत अच्छी बॉडी है. Not just all these muscles. हर्ष, आप हम लड़कियों को अपने abs क्यों नहीं दिखाते?
I mean, it's too early in the morning, so I'm not pumped enough.
Should we help you pump it up?
No, let's not.
Okay.
That's too soon for this conversation, Mannat. So what is that one thing that makes you irresistible?
Yeah, so what I feel is, देखो, irresistible बनाने के लिए it's not like you always have to be, you know, sexy, slutty. But I think I'm a combination of being that and also I can be, you know, एकदम Parvati and Pooh at the same time.
That did make you irresistible. Okay. Anybody else?
Yes, I feel I get really irresistible looking at how the person carries themselves. So I am very specific in nature. मुझे like confidence, personality, the way you talk, the way you carry yourself, मुझे बहुत पसंद है. And I myself do that, as you can see.
Yeah.
So I really notice these things, and if someone is able to do that, I mean, hands on.
Okay. Nice.
I feel like my ADHD makes me irresistible.
That's the
Okay.
Because I have ADHD, मुझे सब कुछ करने का मन करता है. So I can accompany you with a lot of things, you know.
That is so wholesome.
सब कुछ is a big
सब
word.
कुछ.
Okay.
सब कुछ with a wink.
मेरे साथ अगर कोई 1-2 घंटे लाइक साथ में हैंग आउट कर रहा है, सो वो बोर नहीं होता है. किसी का डिस्परेशन मूड चल रहा है, मतलब डिप्रेस्ड डिस्परेशन, सो हाँ, वो खुश हो जाता है.
All right.
Okay, so I think the one thing that is irresistible is I become very sweet and submissive when I'm really attracted to someone. I just give him the lead. मतलब हाँ तू ठीक है, चल तेरी मर्जी, तू जैसे बोलेगा मैं वैसे ही करूँगी.
Janvi, I really like the outfit, but your answer was not that impressive. So sorry, but wait. Manat liked your answer. Date. Indrakhi, I liked your answer. The date. Shrishti, I think you will have to wait for this round. But we'll see in the next questions because now at this point you've made me curious. Shambhavi, date. Alright, round number 2 is gonna be your wrist test. The question is, give me your best pickup line.
हर्ष यार, आपको देख के मैं अपनी पिकअप लाइन भूल गई हूँ. You are just so fucking attractive.
Damn it, yaar. Shit, yaar. Thanks, sir.
No, this is my pickup line. I forgot my pickup line looking at you.
Can I come there? Okay. Biceps and all, huh?
Yeah.
So here's a confession, okay? So like I'm not like genuinely into short guys. I'm into tall guys. But looking at you, it's just a combination of short on height, tall on perfection. So
Cute, very cute.
Yeah. Okay.
They do come in small packages.
Oh, we have another cutie here.
ओके सो मैंने कभी किसी को पिकअप लाइन नहीं दी है. सब आते हैं, लाइक सब नहीं, जिसको पसंद आती हूँ वो आते हैं, गाना गाते हैं.
Okay.
But okay, still you are cute. इतना बोल सकती हूँ मैं.
So you'd come up to the bar and you'd say
हाँ
you're
बस
cute.
hey you are cute.
Okay. Moving on.
पहले तो you wouldn't find me at a bar. मुझे सब भगा देते.
Here's some real time
Okay,
talk, guys.
fair. Okay.
Sad life.
Valid.
But do you play? What sport do you play?
I play MMA,
What else?
badminton,
No, please say something that I want. What else?
carom,
No,
table tennis,
no, like
football.
yes.
Yeah.
We can get messy.
That's nice. I like what you did there. Nice.
मतलब मैं पिकअप लाइन यूज़ नहीं करती, बट इफ़ आई हैड टू स्पॉट यू इन अ बार और लाइक सी यू इन अ बार, आई जस्ट कम.
God, I'm getting excited.
Oh shit! Oh sorry, मैंने सोचा कि आप you are someone that I know.
Oh,
By the way, what are you drinking?
just Diet Coke. That's all. What are you drinking?
I think I went to take some wine. Would you like to accompany? You'll have fun. Trust me. Come.
Okay, sure. Let's go. Okay, I'm getting you wine suddenly. Okay, great. I don't drink, but okay, great. If a guy was doing this, case, direct case. ये ऐसे उठा के चलो चलो.
इंडिया में anyways no की वैल्यू नहीं होती.
क्या? If you had to impress me with one dance move, it can be anything. What would it be?
I want you to be here for that. Give me your hand. The other one. Now take it down the waist. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go hard.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay.
Specific dance move तो नहीं है, but I'll be like.
Okay. Nice.
I'll tell you what's my go-to move with my favorite guy. लग जा गले कि फिर ये हंसी रात हो ना हो.
शायद फिर से जन्म में मुलाकात हो ना हो.
पहले मैं ऐसे होंगी.
Okay.
Hair game, guys. It's all about the hair game.
Then उसके बाद मैं कहूँगी
Let's go.
मेरा माइक अटक गया.
I'm so sorry.
फिर मैं अपनी जैकेट पकड़ाऊंगी.
Willingly.
फिर उसके बाद फिर बस मेरी जैकेट पकड़ा लो.
Wow.
So I would like to give you a break from all the ladies. I would do an individual step जो कि मुझे नहीं पता है कैमरा में कैसा लगने वाला है.
It's fine.
Cringe alert everyone.
So considerate.
It's
We
like
love cringe.
love you. Yeah. It's a wave.
Wow, I really like the round. Janvi, crazy. Date. Amazing. Love the hair flip.
Hair
Didn't
flip.
like the slap, but it's fine. Mannat, date. Let's go. Amazing dance move. Indraki, I think you'll have to wait for this round. Date.
धन्यवाद. Thank you.
Shambhavi date. Let's see. Alright, round number 3. हम जानेंगे आपके red flags या फिर toxic traits. तो give me one red flag या फिर toxic trait जो आपके personality में.
ओके सो रेड फ्लैग तो कोई नहीं है. नहीं सच में हंसो मत. और टॉक्सिक ट्रेट इज मैं कुछ ज़्यादा ही पॉजिटिव हूँ. मतलब कुछ ज़्यादा ही.
Okay, I like that.
यार मुझे लगता है कि when I'm in love with somebody, you know,
Yeah.
like I'm in love with him. फिर वो
Yeah.
बंदा मेरा है. Like he's mine, like mine. Stamped. उसी से मेरा दिन शुरू होगा, मेरी रात खत्म होगी. I become like that.
And then you start stalking?
No,
Stalking, walking?
not exactly
No?
stalking.
Oh.
But नहीं, मतलब स्टार्टिंग में लड़के को पसंद आता है कि oh
Yeah.
she's giving me so much attention. But फिर उसको लगता है कि बस बहुत हो गया, बहुत
जान
ज्यादा
छूटे।
क्लिंगी हो गई है, बट आई लाइक बीइंग क्लिंगी विद माय मैन की मतलब
आई थिंक मेरा टॉक्सिक ट्रेट ये है कि आई एम वेरी, मैं ना बहुत ज़्यादा स्वीट और अंडरस्टैंडिंग बन जाती हूँ, मतलब इतना स्वीट बन जाती हूँ कि बंदा जो
All of
करे
us are the same.
ठीक है, मतलब हाँ मैं समझ जाऊँगी, तो वो ना थोड़ा रिलेशनशिप में मेरे लिए मतलब बर्डन बन जाता है कि यार कितना
बहुत
chance
sweet हो
देगी।
जाते हो।
हाँ मतलब कितना ही चांस देगी तू।
What if that guy has now downloaded a dating app?
I am a bit passive aggressive. I won't just shout at him, but I'll make him understand कि बैठ जा, देख ऐसा है, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है। अगर तू मुझसे सच में प्यार करता है तो we can talk it out.
But you would still give him a chance.
Yeah, see, I told you. That is my toxic.
That is a red flag. Okay, fair enough.
Straight thing straight. I don't feel like I'm a red flag energy. But toxic trait है मुझ में एक, और वो ये है कि just as she said, मैं बहुत chances दे देती हूँ सामने वालों को. When I get attached to someone, तो मैं थोड़ा okay ठीक है चलो थोड़ा सा सह लेंगे कर लेंगे because मेरा बंदा है तो सह लेंगे.
Okay, Shambhavi.
आई फील लाइक मैं बहुत ज़्यादा रोती हूँ, हर बात पे मुझे रोना आ जाता है, एंड आई एम ऑल्सो वेरी पॉजेसिव. व्हाट एल्स?
Just all the girls vibing on the red flag. ठीक है, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, decision times. Janvi date. Mannat stay.
shit.
Indrakhi wait.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really.
Shrishti date.
Thank you.
Shambhavi date. Round number 4. We'll ask relationship के लिए questions. एक ऐसी नॉन नेगोशिएबल चीज जो आपको रिलेशनशिप में चाहिए.
It's consistency. It's
Okay.
like it's you know usually ऐसा देखा जाता है कि लड़के बहुत pursue करते हैं लड़की को जब तक लड़की हाँ नहीं बोलती.
At the start.
But once you get a yes, okay ये तो मेरी ही है. So you know like that pursuing is very important for me. वो बार-बार let the girl feel special. That's very important. for me.
Consistent
So
efforts.
consistency, yes.
Okay.
एक्सप्रेसिव, क्योंकि लड़के अपने इमोशंस नहीं बताते हैं, मतलब दिखा नहीं पाते हैं, और हम लड़के ऐसे होते हैं हमें जानना होता है कि क्या सोच रहा है.
All right.
I think loyalty is something that definitely should be there. मतलब cheating is an absolute unacceptable thing. वो तो possible ही नहीं. Then तो you can just go out of my life. फिर तो कोई chances वगैरह no
Better.
possibility. ऐसा नहीं कि चलो I'll keep her also and I'll keep her also. देख लेंगे अभी चलो इसके साथ मन भर के अब दूसरी के पास जाते हैं. वो तो नहीं हो पाएगा.
Okay.
आई थिंक ऑनेस्टी एंड पेशेंस, क्योंकि मतलब अगर हम एक दूसरे को जान रहे हैं तो पेशेंस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओनली देन यूल गेट टू नो ईच अदर इन अ बेटर वे एंड डेवलप समथिंग विच इज़ स्ट्रॉन्ग.
I feel like empathy and personal space, because I would understand कि तुम क्या बोलना चाह रहे हो, and you do the same for me, and also like I am someone जो दिन भर कुछ ना कुछ करती रहती हूँ मैं, तो like the person should understand and give me my personal space ताकि दोनों की personality रहे in the relationship.
But like in a limited amount.
In a limit, सब कुछ
assuming.
limit में
Unlimited तो it's ghosting है.
नहीं, मुझे तो चाहिए चिपके रहे मेरे से, चिपके रहे पूरे टाइम. क्या हो कॉल पे कॉल, मेरा तो वही है. मुझे नहीं चाहिए, मुझे स्पेस देना नहीं पसंद, ना लेना पसंद है.
मैं तो यही रहूँगी, तुम तो यही लिखा के रखो.
I don't know if I like that answer or I hate it. Because of that controversial answer of yours, date. A little red flag, so I also like. I think. Mannat.
हाँ हर्ष,
Date.
मैं ही हूँ वो.
Rakhi. Wait. Shrishti. Wait. Shambhavi. Date. Yeah. Alright, round number 5 is gonna be role play round. Not the role play you want, not the role play you're thinking of, but एक situation दूंगा. I just want to know कि आपका reply क्या होगा उस situation में. If suppose we are already dating, we are in a live-in relationship, और मैं काम करके हमने डिसाइड किया कि आज रात को हम डेट के लिए जाएंगे at 8 o'clock, and then end moment मैं घर पे हूँ और मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि थोड़ा सा काम आ गया है, तो can we like cancel it maybe, या फिर कल जा सकते हैं, something like that.
First of all,
यार-
don't call me baby. I'm not your baby. तुम्हें इस डेट से ज़्यादा तुम्हारा काम इम्पोर्टेंट था. जाओ अपनी
But it is
मीटिंग के साथ
you know how important the meeting is.
हाँ तो उसी के साथ डेट पे जाओ ना.
But वो लड़का है.
कोई नहीं, गे बन जाओ, मेरे पास बताओ.
वो हमने सैटरडे का सोचा था ना, देख लो, आज नहीं तो कभी नहीं.
But it's important. Otherwise, I wouldn't have done this, na.
Harsh, come
I would have.
on.
If it was cancelable, of course.
डिनर छोड़ो, डिनर के बाद वाला सीन भूल गए.
बेब, तुम ना हर वक्त तुम्हारा सेम ही बहाना होता है. Like, look at me, I'm all ready just for you.
I know, but I don't feel in the right headspace. फिर वहाँ जाके फिर मूड खराब करना उससे बेटर जाते ही नहीं है.
ठीक है, I understand, but you have to make up for it.
Let's do it like next weekend. I swear, I'll make it up to you. We'll go for a movie also. Can we cancel this weekend?
हैं? क्यों?
There's this models meet today happening, and I've already made plans with my boys to go.
So like you are basically choosing them over me. Oh no! This is what you want to say.
I mean, it has been
Nee,
a plan
this
since
is
a
what
while.
you wanna say.
But it has been a plan since a while.
Should I call up Aniket and then, you know?
Who's Aniket? Why is Aniket in the picture?
Why not? I mean, you are going for a models lineup. Why not
but
Aniket can
I
come
told
in the
you
picture?
I'm not willingly going. It's the boys who are wanting
Aniket
me
has
to
also
come.
been asking me out since a very long while. I'm not willingly going, but I'm a good person. I can't really say
But you
no.
can't go out on a date with somebody else.
Why not?
I'm not going out on
he
a date.
He respects me and he prioritizes me, unlike someone
I
else.
get it, but it's not that I'm going out on a date. I'm going out with my boys.
But what about my makeup and hair?
I'll buy you more. Do you know Shreya ka just breakup hua hai, and you know she's my best friend,
Really?
and she just called me like she's crying. I think
तुम्हें
I'll
पता
have to
है
go.
और किसका ब्रेकअप होने वाला है? It's us, Harsh.
But-
It's us. We are over.
But she's crying over there.
Breakup. Either it's her or it's me. Choose.
भाड़ में जाए श्रेया फिर. Let's go out. What else?
Better.
You had to.
Oof. Decision. Janvi. Date.
Oh, cute.
Mannat. Wait. Indrakhi. Wait.
एक सेकंड, आप ना मतलब मुझे तब से वेट ही करवा रहे हो क्योंकि मैं दिल्ली से हूँ तो मैं सर्टिफाइड रेड फ्लैग हूँ.
It's not because of
Certified red
Delhi.
flag.
It's not.
मैं भी दिल्ली से हूँ.
Oh my god.
Wait.
I didn't know that.
See?
No, but it's not. It's not because of that. Shishti. Date.
Thank you.
शांभवी सिर्फ एक स्टेप दूर है फ्रॉम द फिनिश लाइन. हर्ष, इफ यू से डेट, शी विंस. सो टेल अस, डेट और वेट?
She's very humorous. I like all of the answers. All of the answers have made me laugh.
हाइट
In
छोटी
some
हो
way.
तो
क्या?
हाइट छोटी हो तो कुछ करना
और-
पड़ता
और
है.
कुछ compensate करना।
Compensation कर.
Us.
Us.
Yeah, I would go ahead with that. Date.
शादी मुबारक.
Sexy.
Oh, तो कितने cute लग रहे हैं.
Let's go.
Two cuties in one frame.
Now that's
Wow, that's so matching.
अब मैं तुमसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछती हूँ. Where are you taking me on a date?
Role reversal. Wherever. Do you want to do probably arcade? Dinner? Movie? What do you want?
And
Oh, all of it?
works.
Yeah, let's do like a movie,
Yeah.
and then we can go for an arcade after that,
Done.
and then grab dinner,
Sounds
and then call it a day.
Sounds perfect to me.
Perfect. Let's go. See you guys. Bye.
Bye.
Hey guys, if you like the video, let us know in the comments down below.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to
Filter Coffee Candid.